YouTube, it's your boy Zamba. Welcome back to another banger. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best candlestick patterns to trade in 2026. So for those of you that are new, do it to like, comment, and subscribe. And for those of you that have been trading for a long time and you are confused, like I don't know which is profitable, I don't know which to choose, in this video you guys are going to learn that entire playlist. So do it to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So first things first is, what are the useless candlestick patterns to trade, or basically what candlestick patterns you should not be looking at for. Now, patterns that do not give any vital information, things like patterns that are so irrelevant. Okay, now what do I mean by this? For example, you see this particular range right here, right? You see this particular range, you see there is a red candle, right? And then there is a bullish candle. Now what does this do? Now you might think, okay, I guess the buyers are coming in just because of this this bullish candle, not knowing that is not what you should be looking for. Instead, looking at combinations when it comes to candlestick patterns that are relevant. So not just trying to trade alone, but having a sense of what the market will do is what matters. So let me show you the profitable candlestick patterns to look out for, instead of generalizing everything or making it look individual, like looking at each candlesticks to like tell you the direction of the market. So let me just show you guys a really good example. So the first candlestick pattern to trade is the engulfing candlestick pattern. Now I know you might like, okay, cool, it's easy, it's nice, it's good, but using this candlestick pattern, what does it actually do? Now an engulfing candlestick pattern is when a bullish candle or a bearish candle overlap, or kind of like it covered the entire structure of a previous candlestick. Okay, so something like this in this case. I'm trying to make it bigger for you guys to see. So let's look at this example. This is a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, this whole thing here. Now it fully engulfs this candlestick pattern. Now before you look at an engulfing candlestick pattern, you have to look at what did the previous candlestick pattern did in the first place, right? So looking at this structure right now, you're going to see that this particular candlestick rejected the zone. It means once this candlestick appears, and looking at the previous candlestick it engulfed, it rejected a zone, which means this engulfing candlestick pattern has more than 70% chance of going in your direction. And as you guys can see, the market went all the way down. So before using an engulfing candlestick pattern, look for a rejection from previous candlestick, look for an inside bar, so meaning the market was confused, the buyers and sellers were in the same place, they don't really, it's an indecision in the market, right? So when you have this type of setup, you know that for a fact that there's a higher chance that your engulfing candlestick pattern will work. So remember, using your risk management and using your whole calculation tactics that you use on your own strategy or concept or whatever type of pattern you trade, you're going to have more consistency trading using this method of trading engulfing candlestick patterns. All right, so let's move on to the next candlestick pattern, because I don't want this video to be too long. I just want it to be very simple for you guys and make it so fast that you can get all the information fast as possible. Now let's move on to the next candlestick pattern. The next candlestick pattern on our list is the rejection candlestick pattern. Now we just talked about that rejection, but this time we are going to be facing the rejection alone this time. Okay, now I'm going to use this as an example because I'm trying to make sure that this video is very fast, and not just fast but also easy to understand. Now look at this in general. Look at this range. Now we're going to look at a range. We are marking out the highest range down to the lowest range, and this is the highest range right here. So now look at this. For example, we have a range, right? We have this first range, which is the lowest range, and then we have this range, which is the highest range. Now look at this pattern right now. We want to see the wick of the previous candlestick pattern being taken out by the current candlestick pattern with the same condition you want the market to do. Now in this case, I'm trying to go bearish, I'm trying to sell. So what I'm expecting is two things. One, I need this rejection candlestick to be taken out by my current candlestick I'm trying to look out for, which is the pattern, right? Two is I want this candlestick pattern, this particular candle that I'm looking at, to be red. I want it to be bearish. If it's bullish, I'm not going to take any trade. I want it to be bearish and bearish alone. You get the two rules now. The first rule is make sure it's taken out. Let me show you guys quickly. We want it to be taken out. First rule. The second rule is after being taken out, I want the candlestick that forms should be my momentum candlestick, the particular candlestick I want the market to do. Like I want the market to go bearish, so I need the candlestick structure to be bearish, the entire candlestick. And that was exactly what the market did. And let's look at how the trade played out. Now the trade really played out well, but not too well. But for scalpers, it will be okay. And also support zone is at this level. For those trading support and resistance, it's at this level, so it's not going to be too much. The risk to reward ratio is not going to be too much for you, so you might consider trading your stop loss. Let's say you trade your stop loss to this level and the market hits your stop loss. It's not bad. You have made profit already, so there is no need. Don't be greedy. Just move out from the entire chart and look for something else to do. Now that is the second candlestick pattern. So let's move on to the next candlestick pattern on our list. The next candlestick pattern on our list right now is no other candlestick pattern but the indecision candlestick pattern. Yes, okay, so I'm going to be touching on those three candlestick patterns because that is the profitable candlestick pattern you can choose to level up your trading very fast, very effectively, and very well. Let me show you an example because I'm looking for a very good one to show you guys. All right, now what is the inside bar? Let's look at this example right now. First of all, we need to know two rules again for the inside bar, right? Now I'm going to draw the structure. This is the inside bar we are talking about here. I will draw the structure for you guys here. Now this inside bar should not break the body of the previous candlestick. Okay, that's the first rule. It should not break the full body of the previous candlestick. It should either close here or here or here or here, but it can't close here. It can't close here. You get the point? That's the first rule. The second rule is just like the rejection candlestick pattern. The second rule is it must be the same candlestick that I'm looking to trade from, which is the bullish momentum. I need a bullish candlestick to give me that same signal for me to take my trade. After this candlestick is formed, I press my buy, put my stop loss right below here, or anywhere. If I want to go aggressive, I can decide not to use stop loss because I don't use stop loss, right? So if I'm scalping or day trading or doing anything, I can use that formula to get high risk to reward ratio just like this. All right, remember, trade this on a good zone. All right, on your strategy levels. Let's say you're trading support and resistance, or you're trading ICT or SMC, or even my concept APA. It's all on you. But what I want to tell you is, so far you understand what I said, and so far you understand what to look out for when you are trading using candlestick patterns alone. All right, so I love you guys. Stay safe. For those of you that have not joined the inner cycle and want to join, use the link on my video description to reach out to me, and let's get it started. All right, so a lot of challenges are coming. I'm doing a challenge currently. It's very difficult, but yeah, I'm still on it, which is very good. I'm happy about the progress. So for those of you that are in the VIP and also on the mentorship, I also love seeing your progress as well. And yeah, I just wish you all the best. A lot of things are going on, and I'm happy for the progress. So that's it. And if you are missing out on the entire story of what I'm talking about, do it to join. Use the link on my video description. Join my free Telegram channel, follow me on TikTok and all that, and also reach out to me personally. Let's if you want to use the best when it comes to trading, you want to get every single thing when it comes to trading and level up yourself. Account management, VIP signals, mentorship and all of that. Any service you want, just DM and let's go. I love you guys. Stay safe. Happy trading. Peace.
Custom on the beat.